Okay guys, tomorrow is my husband's birthday and I picked up a cake for him. It's an ice cream cake and it's called Billy cake. So I have it here. It's called a keg. So I also bought him favorite food, lechon. It's Richard. And I know it's gonna be surprised whatever I'm doing. Let's see his reaction when it happens. We're gonna do the unboxing tomorrow of his presents. I got 5 different bags full of different things. Okay, so I'm trying to do funny gifts for him. Okay, one is a smell, which is perfume that I bought for him. I bought him something for taste, which is the lechon. That's his favorite. And also I'm giving him a touch, which is some sort of like maybe his socks, but I don't know, it's not there yet. I haven't got it yet. And also I'm giving him a picture of me. I haven't got a chance to get it printed. Oh, that's the other things that I have to do today. Anyway, there's 5 things. Okay, so it's smell, touch, sight, which is when he only have to look at me, and then the sound, which is your hearing. I'm getting him a speaker, and the other one is the taste, which is some, I don't know, what else did they say? Smell, sight, and also hear, which, and sound, whatever, and other stuff. Anyway, I hope it's gonna be fun tomorrow. It's his birthday. He's gonna be 47 years old. Oh, let's put them together. I put some already inside. If you can see, I have 5 gifts for him. Okay, so I'll show you what it is. I bought him an ice cream cake from the keg. It's $45. So it's a big Billy cake. I'll show you later on what it looks like. I have 5 bags here, okay? Because on Christmas he doesn't get anything. So I was just thinking maybe I'll do something different for him this time. Right now I have sound right here. I put the label there. It says sound. And I'm giving him this speaker, okay? The sound, right? That's the speaker. So the sight, that means he just needs to just look at me. So anyway, I'm going to print a picture of myself and put it in the frame and put it in here. That's means sight. Okay, the next one I have taste. Okay, so he should have something for his snack. What I have here is plantain chips and some peanuts, plantains. I also have a roasted pig. It's a lechon. That's his favorite. So I already bought it. It's in the fridge. So just tomorrow I'm gonna put it in this bag so he can open it. Let's see what his reaction, okay? Right? And I have touch right here. Next one is touch. Yeah. Let me just take a picture of these. Taste, the sight, and sound. Okay. So I have one more here. It's called touch. Touch. Let's see what's inside touch. I'm just doing this. So I have something to film. Anyway, I have it here. Is his underwear. It's a boxer. Right? See? It's Under Armour boxer. There's also price here. $45 again. Anyway, he's gonna open that tomorrow as well. And lastly, I have the smell. This is the important one, okay? So this one here, let's see what's inside this bag. I bought him a perfume from Shoppers Drug Mart, and this is the perfume. It's called, how do you pronounce that? Savage from Dior. Okay, I just bought a small one so that way he can just try it. Okay, I don't know if he's gonna like the smell, but I like the smell. It's a little bit light. I don't like it's too strong. It should be good. So I guess that's it. I have that. I have the underwear. I hope he will like it. Oops. I hope he likes my present. Okay, so you know what? This underwear, he bought it long time ago. I just took it from his closet. Anyway, he didn't open it yet, so that's the present. Now he will open it. Just gonna put it back right here. And that one inside, I didn't take a picture. Right there. Did I take a picture of that banana chips? It's right here. Okay. And the planters, peanuts. This is the snacks. And the lechon is in the fridge. Okay. I put effort, eh? And the site is myself, a picture of myself. So, and then this is the speaker. I don't know if I had to pick picture of it. All right, there you go. I have 5 presents for him. 5 present. He will open it tomorrow. So I hope you will like it. This is fun. I hope you will like it. Let's see his reaction when he see it. Okay? All right. Stay tuned for more. So that's
before, Mom, I literally saw a picture of it. It was just like stone, no?
This is the site. It's a picture of me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Blow. Make a wish. This one.
This is the candle right here.
Yeah. Picture with the cake. Picture with the cake.
Hold it.
Cheese. The cake. Wait. Can you put your pants, please?
No.
Dali. Hurry.
Where have you been, Peanut? On the towel. On the towel.
Hindi, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Sarado ba yan? Open your first present. I forgot to put that away. Okay, there's different ones. Pick one you want. No. Put this one first. This one.
Gusto ko yun eh.
Oh, anong gusto mo? Oh, may susulat. Babasahin mo muna yung nandito.
Ano mga kalokohan namin?
Yeah, look on the outside.
Oh.
What's that? What does it say?
Sounds. Sa akin to eh.
How about the other one? What's that say?
Side. Oh.
You have to look at me only. That's me! What's that?
Ace. Sarap to. Tambahan ko ngayon. Ano pa? Oh, sige na lang.
It's for you. That's your baon. What does it say?
Eh, sabi mo, di ba?
Oh, okay.
Touch.
Oh, yeah. What's inside?
Ano yung galing sa touch? Ano, touch? Touch.
What's the last one? Ano, sa likod? You look
Small.
Smell.
Oh, smell.
Smell it.
Oh, pabango. Ito, ano ang pangalan nito?
Savage.
Iba na naman ang pabango ko.
I just wanted you to collect.
Oh, thank you. This is the gift I like. Good job.
Look, like take a picture.
Lechon for life.
Happy birthday, Han.
Puro sa akin naman ito mga tumingin. Sa akin naman, sa taas.
I don't know what to put in there. Do you like the idea?
Yan lang yung nag-isa. Ito yung susi mo.
Kaya nga, look here.
Ang dami siguro na itong ano, sana mo.
Huh? 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Nung wala. Kakainin ni Peanut.
The highlights. Go with them over there in the back.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Con một thêm số tuổi đời, vẫn nguyên tâm hồn thanh thơi. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Tặng em câu hát này và chúc em luôn được ấm êm mỗi ngày. Happy birthday to you.
This is it. Let's go. Hi. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Variety of get one. Chicken wings. Ooh. Okay guys, look here. Say happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Zero, look. Parang Chinese o mali. Look here, look. Shy, look here, Ajan. I told you that's not how you smile. Do it again. Yeah, there you go. Cute. No, do it again. 1, 2, 3.
May picture me.
Oh, how about you?
Ganun daddy. Oh, last two na.
Hello.
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 Say happy birthday, ah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, James.
There's the birthday bar.